Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got word there was a car crash under the bridge. Eyewitnesses saw a weird black Mercedes. I'm heading there ASAP to check it out. Whoa, it went straight into the waterworks under the bridge. Looks like the driver and passenger bailed after the crash and left everything behind. I'm getting closer, but the current's strong. Hope it doesn't sweep me away. Ugh, the water's freezing. Whoa guys, check out what's left from the previous owners. They'd really want you to subscribe to see the restoration of all sorts of crazy cars. Metal plates are peeling off the body. The car has been beaten up pretty bad, dents everywhere. And is that a bullet mark? Looks like this car was involved in some kind of crime. The interior's full of water, the seats are soaked. And wait, this is even some kind of vintage Mercedes. Hang on, there are some bags and packages here. Some tightly sealed brick. I'm not liking this at all. Whoa, the interior's full of powder. No, listen, whatever this is, I think I better get rid of it fast. God forbid the cops catch me with this here. Whoa, there's tons of cash too. A bag stuffed with bills, tens of thousands of dollars. Ah, and even more powder. I'll stash this for now. It'll be safer that way. Let's keep inspecting. Wiping off the evidence. Let's check the trunk. There's an AK-47 and another bag of cash. And even a shotgun. Guys, looks like I've stumbled into some serious trouble. Let it sit for now. The bag's super heavy, I can barely lift it. With water in it, it's even heavier. It even ripped. Gotta get it into my SUV fast. I'll sort these bags at the base, but now I need to figure out what to do with the car. There's a real gangster gun just lying in it. I'm armed and dangerous too, but I'd rather not run into the cops right now. Looks like there's nothing else interesting in the trunk. Yeah, the shotgun's pretty awesome though. So what's under the hood? Everything's mostly in place, but wet. No way I can drive out. We'll need a tow. Subscribe to the channel and I'll start getting this abandoned gangster Mercedes out. Buddy, I need your help. Come here. Don't jump. Go around. There's a ladder there. Now me and my friend will get this car out. Here he is. We'll handle it all now. There's an AK and a shotgun in there. Dude, be careful by the shore. Yeah, better that way. Where are you grabbing? That's mine. Put it back. Hey, stop. Same here. It's mine, idiot. Yeah, let's tow it with a rope. Got it. I'll wrap the rope around the body. Secure it. Don't just stand there. Now I'll hook the winch from my SUV to the rope. Like this. Wait, don't start yet. Need to add weight to the winch cable in case it snaps, so nothing hits my windshield. Pull slowly. Whoa, look at how the metal on the rear fender crumpled. Damn, the doors got stuck open too. More friends came to help. I couldn't have done this alone. Yeah, the wheel's done for. The car isn't moving, rubbing the ground. Another door stuck. What can you do? Come on, let's go. Wheels stuck in the mud. Gotta dig it out. Here, you're doing it wrong. Start from the other side. So many rocks here. I can't grab them with the shovel. Need to loosen it all with water. Yeah, that's a bit better. Adding more water. It's moving a bit, but we need to dig some more. Man, this Mercedes is really stuck in the mud and rocks. This side's better, but the tire's shot. Let's try pulling by the rims. Like this. Start pulling. Looks good. The car's almost out of the water. Need to straighten the wheels. Damn, the metal on the wheel arch is all chewed in. Load the car on the trailer and we'll sort everything at the base. Need to power the winch, then attach it to the car. Hooking the winch to the rope. That's the exhaust. It fell off during the tow. I'll toss it aside so it doesn't get in the way. Now we need to line it up and drive straight. Slow but steady. Almost there. The wheel's completely wrecked. We're at the base. Night's passed. Looks like the authorities haven't come for the bags yet. Let's see what's under the hood of this gangster Merc. Everything's still super wet. The valves came off the spark plugs. Better check how they're holding up. Carefully removing them with a special tool. We can basically remove the straps now. We're inspecting the car on the trailer because of what happened to the wheels. We dried the spark plugs. Let's try to start it again. Insert them into the engine. Yeah, screw them in. I'll check what else might be off. Oil's fine. The relays and electromechanics are fine too. Connecting the spark plugs to the distributor. Won't start. We'll swap the battery for a fresh one. This one should work. Hooking up the terminals. Not easy, but it started. Great. Now we can lower it from the trailer. Bridge is down, now need to detach the winch. Let's try to drive off. Warming up the engine a bit. Let's go. Okay, car's on the ground. Need to fix the side panel or the trunk won't stay closed. All right, let's take it for a spin. Trunk's in bad shape. Struggling, but moving. Driving without rear wheels isn't ideal, but we're doing it. Let's take one last look. That was a real adventure, both for the gangsters who ended up in the water and for me and my buddy pulling this gangster merc out. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time, guys.